So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB Government Exam Revision Series, we have here these two JAMB repeated questions to answer on the topic international organizations. So in short, stay till the end of this video. Here we are going to consider NEPAD. So let's go ahead and start with the first question. Here it says, the new partnership for African development was mainly promoted by A. Nigeria, Senegal, and South Africa. B. Ghana, Sierra Leone, and Nigeria. C. Tanzania, Burkina Faso, and Egypt. D. Kenya, South Africa, and Senegal. So guys, the answer to this question is option A here. That's Nigeria, Senegal, and South Africa. And that's it for this question. So let's head on to the next and last question for this video, guys. So here is question number 2 of 2 here. It says, the new partnership for Africa's development was mainly promoted by... Alright, so guys, that's the same question here, and that's Nigeria, Senegal, and South Africa. Option C here is the answer to this question. So this is where we'll end this video for today, guys. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below and we'll ensure to give you a response. So finally, guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we'll post major updates on JAMB examinations. You can join this channel community by hitting the join button below and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video. See you on the next one.